Dongguan Lvxin Packaging Technology Company Limited, established in 2016 and located in Dongguan City, China. We're between Guangzhou and Shenzhen ports, enjoying the convenient transportation access. We're specialized in biodegradable mold, pulp packaging, and paper pulp products designing and manufacturing. There are 2 processes, dry press and wet press, which with 5 systems and 4 process production lines, 45 producers, and 20 sets machines can achieve 20,000 pieces capacity per day, offering the strongest support for large orders. The R&D team has 2 engineers and 3 designers, who with rich experience, more 10 years, we promise to provide the professional design solution in 24 hours and finished samples in 7 days. We have our own mold shop with 8 workers and 5 sets of CNC machines. It's a guarantee that we can control each detail strictly on mold creation and do better than our competitors with fastest lead time. In addition, we have exported our products to many countries and regions all over the world, especially the United States and Europe. Our products enjoy a good reputation among our customers. Through RoHS SGS packaging instructions testing and FSC certification, 100% full inspection, we won't stop to pursue the excellent quality. Welcome customers come to visit our factory and establish cooperation with us. Let us say goodbye to plastic and embrace the green future together.